Welcome back to the show. We're thrilled to have you join us for another insightful discussion on health and wellness. Today, we're diving into a critical topic: blood clots, what they are, why understanding them is so important for your health, and how your kitchen, surprisingly, can play a supportive role. We'll explore what they are, why they matter significantly to your overall well-being, and how your kitchen pantry might just hold some of the keys to supporting healthy blood flow. Blood clots are essential for healing cuts and injuries, acting as a natural defense mechanism to stop bleeding and initiate the repair process. However, they become dangerous when they form inappropriately inside blood vessels, obstructing normal blood flow and potentially leading to severe complications. This can lead to strokes, which affect the brain, or heart attacks, which damage the heart muscle, both life-threatening events. While medication such as blood thinners is often a necessary and crucial part of treatment, incorporating certain foods into your diet may offer additional support for maintaining healthy blood flow and overall cardiovascular health. We'll break down 9 top foods that research suggests may have beneficial properties, potentially aiding in healthy circulation, and we'll even share a simple yet powerful drink recipe you can easily make at home to give your circulatory system an extra boost. Remember, and this is crucial, always consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you are currently taking blood thinners or have any underlying health conditions. First up, turmeric, the golden spice of life. Known for its vibrant color and earthy flavor, turmeric has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. Its active compound, curcumin, is the real star here. Curcumin boasts impressive anti-inflammatory properties and also exhibits mild blood-thinning effects, making it a valuable addition to your daily routine. Curcumin helps keep platelets from sticking together, supporting smooth circulation and contributing to overall cardiovascular wellness. This can lead to improved blood flow and a healthier heart. Add a dash of turmeric to your morning smoothies, sprinkle it over your eggs, stir it into soups, or try a comforting golden milk latte with a pinch of black pepper. The pepper enhances curcumin absorption, maximizing its benefits. It's a gentle and delicious way to support your cardiovascular system and promote a healthy heart. But if you're currently on any medication, it's always best to check with your doctor or healthcare provider before significantly increasing your turmeric intake. A little goes a long way when it comes to reaping the rewards of turmeric for optimal heart health and overall well-being. Next is ginger, turmeric's spicy cousin. Gingerol, its active compound, acts as a natural blood thinner and vasodilator, helping blood flow more freely. Grate fresh ginger into stir-fries, brew it as tea, or add to smoothies for a circulation boost. Ginger is versatile and delicious. Just another reason to keep it in your kitchen. As always, moderation is key. Cinnamon isn't just tasty. It contains coumarin, a natural blood thinner. Cassia cinnamon has more coumarin than Ceylon, so opt for Ceylon if you use it often. Sprinkle cinnamon on yogurt or coffee, but don't overdo it, especially if you're on medication. Enjoy its benefits, but use responsibly. With cinnamon, moderation and the right variety matter. Garlic is a heart health superstar. Its sulfur compounds, especially allicin, help lower blood pressure and reduce platelet stickiness. For maximum benefit, crush or chop garlic and let it sit before using. Add raw or cooked garlic to sauces, dressings, or roasted veggies. Even a small amount daily can support healthy circulation. If you're sensitive, try mixing raw garlic into salad dressings. Beets are loaded with dietary nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide, a powerful vasodilator. This widens blood vessels, lowers blood pressure, and keeps blood flowing smoothly. Enjoy beets roasted raw or juiced. Even a little adds color and nutrients. Pre-cooked beets make it easy to add to salads or smoothies. Better blood flow means less risk of clots and more energy. Beets are a simple, tasty way to boost circulation. Onions, especially red and yellow, are rich in quercetin, a flavonoid with anti-inflammatory and blood-thinning properties. They help keep platelets from clumping and support vessel health. Use onions raw in salads or cooked in any savory dish. Their versatility makes it easy to include them daily. Layer in onions for a natural circulatory boost. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, are packed with anthocyanins, which strengthen blood vessels and fight inflammation. Healthy vessels mean fewer places for clots to form. Add fresh or frozen berries to cereal, yogurt or smoothies. They're a delicious year-round way to protect your vascular system. Stock up and enjoy their natural benefits. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down fibrin, the protein mesh in blood clots. Fresh or frozen pineapple is best. Canned loses the enzyme. Snack on pineapple, add to salads or blend into smoothies. The core has the most bromelain, so juice or grate it if you can. Pineapple is a sweet way to support healthy blood flow. Red and purple grapes are rich in resveratrol, a polyphenol that reduces platelet aggregation and protects vessel linings. Eat grapes whole, skin and all, for the most benefit. Raisins and 100% grape juice are good alternatives, but watch the sugar. Add grapes to snacks or lunches for a heart-healthy boost. Resveratrol is a simple, tasty way to support your cardiovascular system. To wrap up our discussion on boosting circulation naturally, I want to share a quick and easy power drink recipe that you can make at home. This drink is packed with ingredients known for their circulatory benefits. We're going to blend 1 cup of fresh pineapple. Pineapple is not only delicious, but also contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. Next, add about a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Ginger is a fantastic spice that has been used for centuries to promote healthy circulation. Then, add 1/2 inch of fresh turmeric root, or 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, if you don't have fresh turmeric on hand, along with 1/2 cup of water to help everything blend smoothly. This powerful combo delivers bromelain from the pineapple, gingerol from the ginger, and curcumin from the turmeric. These compounds work synergistically to create a potent, circulation-boosting drink that's also packed with antioxidants. Remember, diet is just one part of the puzzle when it comes to maintaining healthy circulation and overall well-being. It's crucial to stay hydrated throughout the day, engage in regular exercise, avoid smoking altogether, and effectively manage stress levels for the best and most sustainable results. Always talk to your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you're currently taking blood thinners or have any pre-existing health conditions. Your doctor can provide personalized advice tailored to your specific needs and medical history. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips, and don't hesitate to share your own favorite natural health tips and strategies in the comments section below. Stay healthy, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.